It's funny because perspective is a very powerful thing. Can I get you to roll this slide for me? James has a slide back there. And we talk about change and that. Now, this is in Ghana. A friend of mine lives in Ghana and works in the Peace Corps. And this is housing in Ghana. Take a look at the housing. This is where people actually live. And the women of Ghana go down to the river each day, and they place water in buckets on their heads, and they march back to these villages. They march back to these little villages here, and they actually boil their water so they can have water to wash their clothes for drinking water and to bathe in. And then some of us, we have a hard time. And I say, well, it's all a matter of how you look at it. There's the bathroom, that little one right there, right? That's a little bit different than what most of us use at the break, isn't it? But it's all a matter of perspective. Half the world can't figure out how to eat tonight, and then we're worried about some of the things. Well, do we have enough resources? I'm telling you, you've got everything right now that you need within this room and this organization to be successful. How many of you feel that way? Absolutely. It all depends upon how we look at it.